This is the typical motorhome. It is built based on a Fiat Ducato, costs something between 70 and 90,000 euros and is designed more for 2 people than for 4. Going on vacation in a motorhome is not for penny pinchers, as it seems. But there are rentals and financing models, alternatives in the range of trailers. There are low-priced options without hardly having to miss out on anything. That is the first step into caravanning, although it is a different kind of traveling. With a camper trailer you go to a fixed destination and usually stay there for the duration of the vacation. But yes, considering the entry-level price of 10,000 euro for a fully equipped camper, it is a much easier starting point also from a financial point of view. This Volkswagen was priced 8,500 Deutschmark in 1969. And this camper still was 4,000 Deutschmark in 1962, quite a bit of money back then. Since then a lot has happened when it comes to the requirements motorhomes have to meet, as opposed to the dream destinations Germans have. And according to the Trades Industrial Association, this tendency has nothing to do with changed safety situations in times of terrorism. Today we reach more people than we used to, but we don't reach people who used to travel to the Dominican Republic and now say that it's too dangerous for us. The same applies to an all-inclusive vacation in Turkey. Our target group is a little different. Accordingly, the camping boom is owing to the enjoyment of the way of traveling, not because of fear of the unknown. But there are still changes as well as challenges. Ultralight without having to do with less. This is the future not only in the automotive industry.
Unser Ziel war der Gedankengang, diesen Caravan so leicht wie möglich.
Our goal was to make this caravan as light as possible. This vehicle is just about 5 meters long from the drawbar to the end, but still 4 people can comfortably sleep in it, and it weighs only 750 kilograms.
Zulässig gerade mal 750 Kilogramm.
A camper is simply a safe piece of home. Many campers feel this way, and feeling at home away from home is still a dream come true for many Germans.